Hello, everybody. It's Cam from the Santa Sells Houses team here with another episode of our Monday market update. Yes, it's cold outside, but the real estate market is unbelievably hot, and some of the numbers we're going to talk about today are a little bit alarming. So, for all you buyers out there, trigger warning, just to be fair, okay? Let's dive into the weekly numbers so that we can get into some bigger picture numbers, all right? Last week, we had 61 new listings come to market, 52 sold listings, as well as 3 conditionally sold listings. So typically very low numbers for the month of January. Things will start to pick up as people see the sale prices that have started to come out on the MLS. Okay? Being that it is essentially the start of a new year, because things have been very slow over the last 10 days, we do have some numbers to work with, but what we're going to do is take a look back towards the end of last year and make some predictions as we move forward into the year. So the big piece of headline news to start the year was that the average sale price for a home in London cracked that $700,000 threshold for the month of December. Now, I'm going to use that number to forecast where I think we'll be in 3 months. All right. So this is my first quarter prediction. And what I've looked at is over the past 5 years, the difference in sale price, the average sale price from the end of December to the end of March of the following year. And typically what we see is about an 8% gain. So if we apply that to our sale price from last month, December 2021, that puts us at $756,000 average sale price for London by the end of March. That's 3 months away from now, okay? Pretty alarming stuff. However, what we're seeing in the market right now fully backs up that prediction. We are seeing crazy amounts of offers, crazy competition, people coming from outside the city in droves. Like, it's pretty hard to deny where the money's coming from right now. We're only 10 days into January. However, we already have a good idea of what the average sale price might look like at the end of this month. So far, 10 days in, not a lot of information. However, I just want to let you know the average sale price so far this month is $860,000. That's over 60 sales so far for the month of January, $860,000. Okay? Just put it out there, all right? Right now, we're seeing a majority of properties selling in multiple offers above list price. Last week, on average, properties selling above list price sold for 120% of the list price. So add 1/5 of the list price, there you go. That's your sale price, okay? On average, we've seen some properties sell for 50% over list price, which is unbelievable, just wild, okay? So yeah, my prediction, end of March, we're going to hit 750K average sale price in London, potentially even more if the trend that we've seen over the last few days continues. So happy New Year, everybody. If you're a buyer right now, strap up your boots and get going at it. Cheers.